Yo guys, so today this is going to be the first video to the horror game series on how to make a horror game. And some horror games they have like a dynamic FOV effect when you start sprinting, and today we're going to be working on that and making the camera go into true first person. So first what we want to do is open up your third person character, and what you're going to do is drag our character movement, and by default yours should be 500. I set mine to 250 on max walk speed. But before we do that, for now we'll use left shift, and then we want to set the max walk speed. Copy and paste. So off release it's gonna go back to 250, but on sprint we'll say 450, and just like that. And off release, go back. But if you wanted this to be like a toggle, stick a flip flop in here. You don't need the release on. There you go. Like that. So now if I do click shift, I'm going to sprint. And when I let go of W, I'm still going to be at that speed. But if I were to click shift again, I go back to walking. So that's how you make a toggle. We don't want to toggle though, we want to hold. Well, I want to hold. It feels more natural. And now this is where we're going to have to get the camera into the head. But for now, we'll test with the third person one because I'm not actually done the third person before. So we're on a timeline. Double click on that and set the length to 0.30. Get track, add a float. Add two keys. This is going to be 0, 0. This is going to be a value of 1 and 0.30. And right click on this bottom key here and set it to photo. So now you've got a nice curve. And then on new track _0, you want to rename that and call this value. God damn it, caps. I had it the other way around. Value is already in use. Okay, I'll call it value 1. I don't know how it's already in use. Where? What are you on about? Right, so once that's done, so drag off this value and we want to alert, and you want to put that in the alpha. Alright, so what we need is our camera. Currently this is a third person, but that can easily be changed. And off the camera, what we're going to want to do is set field of view. And that's what this value's going to be. And by default, the camera is 90. So you put 90 here. And then I might use 100 for that one. Put that in update and then put this in reverse. So let's see what that does. That's nice. And now if we were to make the camera actually go into the mesh, you want to change that to head like that. And you want to click use pawn control rotation. And I believe on character movement. Yeah, that one. Use control design rotation. So, oh, I'm not sorted out here. Alright, so we want minus 90 here. Then we can put 10 here. Make a part of it, and just like that. And now we're fixed. Oh, that's it. It's nice in first person. You can slightly see the FOV change ever so slightly. But we've got an issue here. How was that? So now you got a true first person character with a dynamic run. Alright, so I'm gonna make a new folder, call this UI. And we want to right click, get user interface, widget blueprint, and then W underscore, W underscore player. Good. Open that up. We want a canvas panel. And then I am gonna get an image. Then you want to anchor this to the center. And if you put 0.5 here, it will take it into the center. And I don't have a custom like image to put here. Reticle. I mean, I suppose I could use that, but no. We'll just change the size of it. Right, so now let's get an event. Begin play. Add a sequence. Create widget. This player HUD. You can probably promote this to a variable if you wanted to. And rename it player. And then from here, add the viewport. Now we should have like a little square reticle. Nice. So that is gonna be it for this episode. So we made a true first-person character with a dynamic run. Right now I'm not moving, but the camera moves still, so that's something we need to look into. I hope to see you in the next episode of how to make a horror game. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.